hers? I'm at the barn with Gray and her. She cleaned her feet. Gray's looking at my hands. It's a good time at the barn. I'm currently at a new barn and I'm gonna be doing a barn tour soon. So yeah, and we're in the process of filming a separate video, which is while she's doing that. So yeah, keep an eye out for that video. It's gonna be great. So yeah, I will see you guys in just a few minutes.
So tomorrow, 5.
Perfect.
I got a horse that she can have. Pero voy para acá porque.
Hello.
Hi.
How's it going?
Good.
Super dirty? Bye. She's dirty.
Oh. My hands is freezing.
It's cold.
Yes. One.
That's cream. Don't clean that.
No.
No.
Oh my God.
That's Corona ointment for her boo-boo.
Okay. Oh my God. Time.
Good job.
Okay. ¿Cómo se llama?
Hoof pick.
Okay. Okay.
Just FYI, she's had practice with this before. So this is testing her.
Hear that?
Her stomach.
Yes. Okay.
Porky Pig is always hungry.
Demasiado duro. Wow. Oh, shit.
That back foot is filthy. Nasty.
Yes. Oh my God. Oh.
What's first? Saddle pad.
Yes. Wait a minute. Ooh.
Saddle pad down.
Okay.
Oof, that's a nasty saddle pad. Look on the bottom.
Oh my God. So nasty.
That needs to be washed.
Yes.
How far does that go?
¿Qué dijiste?
How far does it go?
Aquí arriba.
Sure. Keep going.
Keep going, Monica.
I think it needs to be further, but we'll see. It definitely needs to be a little further up, and that's backwards.
No me acuerdo. I think it's like that, right?
Sure, close. I can't tell you. I can't help you.
Oh, you can help me?
Mm-mm.
Okay, let me see.
So just keep in mind, she's practiced this before, so that's why it's not going to come out as terrible as my last video on someone tacking up my horse. But it's still going to be semi-funny.
Yo creo que no está bien.
Yeah, something tells me that doesn't look right.
I don't know.
Wait a second.
I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my
That's really
God.
far forward. Now it's crooked.
This is not right.
I don't know if anybody can tell how crooked it is, but it is
Please tell me, please.
so crooked. I can't help you. You just have to
my
keep
God.
going.
Oh, this is so. Oh my God, wait.
It's pretty funny.
Whatever. I know that sounds good. This is. ¿Cómo se dice?
Good.
Okay, good. We're gonna let it talk.
She remembered to take out the middle one.
Yes.
Meanwhile, this is still like this, which is pretty funny, but that's okay.
Deja de burlarte de mí. Stop.
I'm just nitpicking.
Good.
Other side. Woo!
Oh my god, this is so good, I promise.
Oof, look at that saddle pad. Oh, she's not happy about that.
I'm sorry, kid. I promise I've been going more. No. I'm
Oh.
so sorry, kid. Oh my god. This is not working, Joey.
Maybe you put it too tight on the other side.
No, I put 4.
No, she can't take it off the buckle.
I know.
Up close and personal.
I will. Help me, please.
Can't help you.
Oh.
You can do it.
It's not working. No funciona.
How do you feel about this?
Sí, feel so bad. Espera, para un momentico y dime cómo se quita esto porque no puedo quitarlo.
How do you feel about this?
Mónica, Mónica is so nice.
I don't think that's quite what she's thinking. I think she wants you to stop.
Okay, para un momentico.
I ended up having to help her take the buckle off because she was never going to take that off. You can do it.
Yeah, I can do it. Let's go.
She's been working on one side of the girth for about 5 minutes now. Now we're moving to the other side. You're not very happy about that. We're sorry. We love you though.
Pero yo no puedo hacerlo.
We love you. You put it too tight on the other side.
Oh my goodness.
And she's also blowing out because she doesn't like you very much.
I know.
Poor thing.
¿Se pone así?
Other way.
Así.
It doesn't make a difference. Just go ahead.
Okay.
How do you feel about this?
She's feel good.
You're so cute. Look at those feet, though. That's pretty bad, Gray. That is pretty darn bad. That came from her feet. What do you have to say for yourself? What do you have to say for yourself? Okay.
It's not working. De verdad que no funciona. Ay, ay, ay. No, it's not working. Look. I'm gonna die. Stop! Let me. Great. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm so sorry. You want a cookie?
Do her bridle.
Que no sé cómo hacerlo.
This, the bridle, here.
Ah, eso es fácil.
Do it.
Oh my god, I forget. Pero vamos a intentar.
Back up. Oh, God. Oh, my God. What the heck are you doing?
I don't know. I forget, I promise. Oh my goodness, no, Monica. So stupid. Oh my god, yo no sé cómo poner esto, I forget. ¿De verdad? Okay. Oh, espérate. ¿Estudio con su oreja? No te rías. Ok.
Think.
Ya voy, espérate, que yo me acuerdo que yo ponía algo en su nariz. Oh, yes. No, wait. What is it?
Oh, yeah.
I'm doing good, Greg.
She was like, nope.
No, Ray. Oh my God. Ay, man. Yo soy buena. Pobrecito. Ven ya, que yo voy a ver si puedo hacerlo. Voy a intentar poner esto aquí arriba. Ok.
I'm sorry, Gray. Oh my God.
Gray.
Ay,
Open your mouth.
pobrecita. Poor Gray.
Y ahora se la voló. Come
Look
here.
at that. She's getting tired of you.
Come here, Gray. Gray, I'm so sorry. I forget, Gray.
Okay, good job. Good job. Do you want to give her treats? No.
I want to give you a cookie, please.
Go get her cookie.
I'm sorry, Gray.
Bring the white jar. I'm sorry, Gray. Oof, that must have been hard for you. There come the cookies.
Yes.
Oh, look at her eyeing those cookies. Mmm.